Hey guys, Rob Games here. Today I'm going to show you how to set up OBS and connect a live stream to YouTube. If this helps you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more tips. Let's jump straight in. First you want to do is open up your OBS and we're going to head down to the bottom left and we're going to create a new scene. Go scene 2. Then we're going to move to the next under sources and we go plus sign and we want to go to display capture. So I'll be streaming a game live, so I'll be using that one. If you're just playing a game without a camera, you can just do game capture, but I'm going to hit it under display capture. We'll keep it as display capture. Go OK. Display automatic, but I'll just click the primary monitor. Force SDR, leave that off. Go OK. And then next, we're going to go into the settings. So you're on your bottom right. All right, so we're in the settings tab. We're going to go to stream. This will be on custom when you first load up OBS. So you want to hit it YouTube RTMPS. And then you want to connect your Google account. So I've already got my Rob Games connected, and then click OK. That sorts that one out. Alright guys, back into the settings. We're going to hit the output tab now. So the output mode, please leave it on simple. Your bit rate, video bit rate, depending on your upload speeds. There is an easy calculator on Google, caster.com. So CASTR, not sponsored or anything, but yeah, just type in your upload, download speeds, and it'll tell you the bit rate. I always leave it a little bit under what it tells me, just to make sure the stream runs smoothly. Audio bit rate, I leave it at 160. The video encoder, I've got an NVIDIA graphics card, so leave that on H.264. Encoder, this is preferably up to you. I normally switch between slow and medium. So good quality or medium quality. So I'll just leave it on medium quality for now. Audio encoder, AAC, just leave it as it is. And everything else here, as you see, leave it as default. And then click OK. Next, go back into settings. Hit the audio tab. And just make sure your mic is showing. Obviously, mine's Rode, so it goes to default, but mine's the Rode mic, so you should make sure that's like this. So click apply. And everything else there, leave it as is. Alright, next we're going to go back into settings, go to the video tab now. So my monitors are 4K, but the output, always have it lower than what you're playing at. I can't change this to 1080p for some reason. Hopefully someone in the comments will figure that out, but I'll see that's my resolution, 3400 by 1440. I leave my FPS at 60 and leave it at bicubic filter as well. So I press OK, and then all those settings should be good to go. And then last but not least, then we need to head to the right and click manage broadcast. So just here. And then this basically like what you do when you make a YouTube video. Fill out a nice title, description, leave it on public so everyone can see. And then fill out all this, put a nice thumbnail. And latency, I'll always leave it on normal. I'm not scared of any stream snipers or anything. So, and then click OK, and then you can just go straight to create broadcast and start streaming. And then that's all good to go. You should have all connected to your YouTube account. Your chat will pop up here on the far right. And then that should be it. Anything I've missed, let me know in the comments, but I think that's all pretty good. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Bye-bye.